Hi students, my name is Sagar Pandya and today we are going to start with the third part of the chapter that is one of the most interesting and one of the most beautiful chapter of our syllabus, that is chapter number 6 of our Maharashtra State Board 12th Standard History Syllabus, Indian Struggle Against Colonialism. Let's begin. So let us begin with the next part. That is, last time we started learning about how there was foundation of Indian National Congress. That is, to be precise, we started learning how there were different organizations which were made at different state level or regional level. Today we are going to start with the next part, learning about how Indian National Congress, that is one platform which was made at an all India level. Let's begin. On 28th of December 1885, finally the first session of Indian National Congress came across. The first session of Indian National Congress came across 28th of December 1885 in Mumbai, Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College. It was attended, आज वो school, hospital, hall तीनों है. It was attended by 72 delegates from various parts of India. Vyomesh Chandra Banerjee presided over the session. Many eminent personalities had also come, like Firoz Shah Mehta, Dadabhai Navroji, Rahimatullah Sayani, Kashinath Trambak Telang, better known as Barrister Telang, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, participated in the proceedings of this session. Allen Octavian Hume, a retired British ICS officer in India, took significant lead in this founding of Indian National Congress. In this first session, 9 resolutions were passed. Through these resolutions, demands for the appointing a commission to inquire into British administration in India came across, and hence to appoint elected representatives of people on central as well as provincial legislative assemblies. So resolution में 9 resolution में include क्या किया था कि British administration India में क्या क्या चीज़ें include करेगा, प्लस सेंट्रल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में कैसे अपने लीडर्स जाएंगे, दैट इज लोकसभा लेवल पे, प्रोविंशियल मतलब विधानसभा लेवल पे, टू एम्प्लॉय इंडियंस इन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज. दैट इज इफ वी नो हम लोगों ने एलन ऑक्टेवियन ह्यूम का देखा, रिटायर्ड ब्रिटिश आईसीएस ऑफिसर, सो ही वाज इंपीरियल सिविल सर्विस ऑफिसर. तो सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन इंडिया में कैसे कंडक्ट होगी उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस था. तो वन ऑफ द रेजोल्यूशन वाज दैट to curtail military expenses, restrict or stop the military expenses, to sanction military expenses जो extra जा रहे थे वो, to sanction more funds for higher education and also to make provisions for technological education were put forth. These were certain important resolutions. Further on, Indian National Congress was divided into 2 parts, that is moderates and extremists. At about the same time, a debate emerged, especially in Maharashtra, arguing about the priority of political reform over priority of social reform. The extremist wing of thinkers insisted that independence should be natural priority. Extremist मतलब जो violence create करते थे, जो extremism create करते थे वो. An independent nation could provide a right setup for social reformation. On the other hand, moderates बोलते थे we believe in the British sense of justice. हमको भरोसा है British sense of justice पे. And इसके लिए जब 1885 में ये divide हुआ था, moderates were from 1885 to 1905 and extremists were from 1905 till 1920. So moderates बोलते थे वो non-violent थे, but extremists violent थे. So moderates बोलते थे we believe in the British sense of justice, we believe in the British sense of judgment. But extremists बोलते थे no, we do not believe in British sense of justice, we do not believe in British sense of judgment. हम लोगों का जो हक का है वो हम लोग कैसे भी लेंगे, भले उसके लिए वायलेंस करना पड़े. So hence the moderates thought that without social reformation independence was incomplete. Social reformation क्यों? Because social inequality था. They did not mind appealing to the British government to help in the task of social reform. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar was at the top of those who insisted on the priority of social reforms. He used to say that we need to first reform ourselves. On the contrary, Lokmanya Tilak, who was a leader of extremists, used to say that the home taken over by the others should also be recovered first. Then only we can reform it. मतलब अगर किसी और ने हमारा home कैप्चर किया है, तो इसके लिए हम लोगों को फाइट बैक करना पड़ेगा। पहले वो होम लेके बाद में ब्रिटिशर्स को निकालेंगे। एंड दैट इज़ वाई इफ वी कैन रिकलेक्ट, हम लोगों ने बचपन में कभी तो पढ़ा था अबाउट होम रूल लीग स्टार्टेड इन इंडिया बाय लोकमान्य तिलक। फिरोज शाह मेहता, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले were the leaders of moderates. They felt that if they could convince the government about their grievances, matlab problems, with necessary proof, the government will not disappoint them. Hence, Lokmanya Tilak, on the contrary, felt that British government will not yield to applications, requests and speeches. हम लोग प्रे नहीं करने वाले, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, एप्लीकेशंस नहीं लिखेंगे, स्पीचेस नहीं देंगे, हम वायलेंस करेंगे. The difference between moderates and extremists reached its climax in the session of Indian National Congress held at Surat in 1907, where Congress was divided, it was split, and that is why this session was called as Surat Split. The moderates wanted to avoid the resolutions of Swadeshi and boycott, and the extremists wanted to stop those attempts of the moderates. बोला कि moderates को स्वदेशी and boycott, स्वदेशी मतलब क्या, इंडियन मेड गुड्स यूज करो, boycott मतलब फॉरेन गुड्स बंद करो, नेशनल एजुकेशन लाओ. ये बेसिक मोटिव किसका था? मॉडरेट्स का. एक्सट्रीमिस्ट ने बोला मत करो ये सब, दिस इंक्रीज द टेंशन. एक्सट्रीमिस्ट ने बोला वायलेंस करो, सीधा अपना हक है, हम लोग लेके रहेंगे. This increased the tension during the session. Reconciliation, कौन सा सेशन? सूरत स्प्लिट 1907. रिकन्सिलिएशन, दैट इज दोनों के बीच में रिकन्सिलिएशन चालू हुआ, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना चालू हुआ, बट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होना इम्पॉसिबल था बिकॉज दोनों का मेथड अलग था. अल्टीमेटली इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस स्प्लिट इनटू टू ग्रुप्स. एक साइड पे थे मॉडरेट्स, दूसरे साइड पे थे एक्सट्रीमिस्ट लीडर्स. टू कंट्रोल द प्रोग्राम्स ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, लॉर्ड कर्जन प्लान्ड द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल. After the partition of Bengal, the British government began to take strict action against the leaders of extremists. Lokmanya Tilak was sent to Mandalay prison for 6 years under the charge of treason. Treason मतलब cheating के लिए. Unexpected. Bipin Chandra Pal was imprisoned and Lala Lajpat Rai was deported, together called as Lal Bal Pal. Lala Lajpat Rai. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Pal, Bipin Chandra Pal. Lal Bal Pal. टुगेदर लाल बाल पाल, एक्सट्रीमिस्ट. एंड इसके लिए उनको पहले रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना जरूरी था. लोकमान्य तिलक रिटर्न टू इंडिया आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 6 years of imprisonment in Mandalay in 1914 when he came back. After that there was a reconciliation between the moderates and the extremists and they came together in the Congress session of Lucknow. Now दोनों अभी लखनऊ सेशन में कांग्रेस में मॉडरेट्स एंड एक्सट्रीमिस्ट दोनों साथ में आ गए. आर्म्ड रेवोल्यूशनरीज आना शुरू हो गए इन इंडिया. द इंडियन मूवमेंट अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश इंपीरियलिज्म टुक मैनी फॉर्म्स ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट. वन ऑफ द मूवमेंट वॉज ऑफ आर्म्ड रेवोल्यूशन. द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव of this particular armed revolution was to weaken government administration, to dispel the fear of the government in people's mind and thus to uproot the British rule from India. जो लोगों के दिमाग में डर है ब्रिटिशर्स का, वो निकालना जरूरी था. इसके लिए there were different movements came across. One such movement was Kuka movement, started by Ram Singh Kuka. Ram Singh Kuka had been planning a revolt in Punjab against the Britishers and already revolted. In Maharashtra, Vasudev Balwant Phadke was one of the person to do the same. Commissioner Rand's method of treating people during this particular time, this particular plague epidemic in Pune was atrocious. It was dangerous. It was pathetic, cruel. Enraged by it, Damodar and Balkrishna Chafekar, better known as Chafekar brothers, the two brothers killed the officer Rand. In 1899, with the initiative of Ganesh Damodar Savarkar and his brother Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Mitra Mela, a secret organization, was established at Nashik. दोनों ने मिलकर सीक्रेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चालू किया. गणेश दामोदर सावरकर एंड स्वतंत्र वीर वी.डी. सावरकर, विनायक दामोदर सावरकर. द सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज लेटर ऑन रीनेम्ड इन द ईयर 1904. नाम था अभिनव भारत. द सेम ईयर Vinayak Damodar Savarkar went to England for higher education. From there, he began to send revolutionary literature, pistols, etc. to the members of Abhinav Bharat. एंड वो पिस्टल्स हम लोगों ने देखा रहेगा, बुक के अंदर एक शेप रहता है, उसके अंदर वो शेप में वो कट करके पिस्टल डाल के वो बुक के फॉर्म में भेजते थे. He wrote a biography of Joseph Mazzini, an Italian revolutionary. He also wrote the book 1857. 1857, the first war of independence. The British government came to know of all these activities of Abhinav Bharat. Ganesh Damodar Savarkar was arrested by the British government. Jackson, the British collector, punished him with life sentence. Anant Lakshman Kanhare, a young Indian revolutionary, killed Jackson to avenge the punishment given to Ganesh Damodar Savarkar. Badla lene ke liye. The government held Vinayak Damodar Savarkar for Jackson's murder. He was arrested and had to face a trial in the court. He was declared guilty and sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 50 years. Just imagine, 50 years in Andaman. A revolutionary organization named as Anushilam Samiti was active in Bengal. Aurobindo Ghosh and his brother Barindra Kumar Ghosh were at the head of this organization. This organization had a center of bomb making at Maniktala near Kolkata. Now Anushilam Samiti बनाया, किधर बनाया? बंगाल में बनाया. सबसे पहले औरोबिंदो घोष, दूसरा कौन था? बरिंद्र कुमार घोष. दोनों ने मिलकर हेड किया ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बॉम्ब मेकिंग सिखाते थे लोगों को, जो रेवोल्यूशनरीज थे उनको, इन मानिकतला टू फाइट बैक अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स. In 1908, Khudiram Bose and Praful Chaki of Anushilan Samiti made a plan of Kingsford's assassination, who was an evil British magistrate. However, the horse cart which was bombed by them did not carry Kingsford himself. मतलब जो किंग्सफोर्ड, जो ब्रिटिश मैजिस्ट्रेट था जिन्होंने ये वर्डिक्ट दिया था, वो उन लोगों ने किंग्सफोर्ड को मारने का प्लान किया था, बट किंग्सफोर्ड खुद उसमें नहीं था. किंग्सफोर्ड बट टू ब्रिटिश वुमेन इंस्टेड डाइड. दे बोथ डाइड. प्रफुल्ल चाकी shot himself and Khudiram Bose was arrested and later on hanged. Shyamji Krishna Verma had founded India House in London, another organization. This organization used to give scholarships to Indian students in England taking higher education. Madam Kama belonged to the group of Shyamji Krishna Verma. She was a socialist and revolutionary. In the World Socialist Conference in Germany, she raised the issue of India's independence. She unfurled a flag representing India. Madanlal Dhingra shot Curzon Wiley to death and was arrested and hanged for it. Indians in America or in Canada also had started establishing revolutionary organization which was named as Gadar Party. Lala Hardayal, Bhai Parmanand, Dr. Pandurang Sadashiv Khankhoje were among the main leaders of this organization. Gadar means uprising, and Gadar was the name of the newspaper as well published by this organization. This newspaper gave the message of patriotism, that is love for the country, revolution to the Indians. Hutatma Vishnu Ganesh Pingle contributed in a great way in this work. Ram Prasad Bismil, Ashfaqullah Khan, Roshan Singh, Rajendra Lahiri of Hindustan Republic Association had mastermind a plan for raising money for the revolutionary work, which came to be known as Kakori Conspiracy. They sacked a train, मतलब एक कॉन्स्पिरसी क्रिएट किया, काकोरी कॉन्स्पिरसी, एंड उन लोगों ने सोच लिया था कि हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कैसे लूटेंगे, तो अंग्रेजों का ट्रेन ही लूटेंगे, मतलब अंग्रेजों के ट्रेजरी को लूट के हम लोग रेवोल्यूशनरी काम करेंगे. वेरी मास्टरमाइंड. They sacked a train which was carrying the government treasury when it had stopped at Kakori station in Uttar Pradesh. The government was prompt in action. All of them were captured immediately and hanged. This was the time when young people in India established the Communist Party following the revolutionary thought of Karl Marx. Karl Marx had given the revolutionary thought of communism in Russia, ओरिजिनली जर्मन फिलोसोफर, एंड वो अप्लाई हुआ एक्चुअली रशिया में. उन्होंने तो लिखा था अबाउट जर्मनी एंड इनटू द अबाउट द वर्ल्ड, अबाउट कम्युनिज्म. देयर एम वाज टू अपरूट द कॉलोनियल ब्रिटिश रूल एंड टू एस्टैब्लिश द रूल ऑफ वर्किंग क्लास पीपल, दैट इज प्रोलिटेरिएट. प्रोलिटेरिएट का मतलब क्या हुआ? दैट इज वर्किंग क्लास पीपल. Member of Communist Party were tried under the charge of attempting earned revolution. The Meerut case and Kanpur case in this context received a lot of publicity. Comrade Shripad Amrut Dange, the founder of Communist Party of India, Muzaffar Ahmad, Keshav Nilkant Joglekar were among the accused in these cases. These young revolutionaries and many such like Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev had a secular way of thinking. Secular way, that is equal way of thinking. In 1928, they established Hindustan Socialist Republican Association in Delhi. Their goal was to free India from the British exploitation. They wanted to rip off the British system that exploited the farmers and laborers. Their organization had an independent department called as Hindustan Socialist Republican Army for collecting arms and to execute their plans. Chandrasekhar Azad was the chief of that department. So the members of this organization had completed several adventurous tasks. Like for example, इसके पहले लाला लाजपत राय का जब भी साइमन कमीशन को फाइट बैक कर रहे थे तभी उनका डेथ हो गया था. So Bhagat Singh and Rajguru avenged the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. Saunders was the officer who killed Lala Lajpat Rai, gave orders to kill Lala Lajpat Rai, was killed to teach a lesson to British officers. The British government had submitted two bills in the Central Legislative Assembly which were absolutely damaging to civil rights. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt exploded a bomb in Legislative Assembly and surrendered to police. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev were hanged at Lahore in 1931 under the charge of treason. Chandrasekhar Azad became a martyr, fighting in British forces in Alfred Park in Allahabad. Surya Sen was a leader of revolutionary group working with Hindustan Socialist Republican Army in Chittagong in Bengal. He prepared a plan to attack on the British armories. They carried out the plan while they were nearing success. Unfortunately, Surya Sen and some of his colleagues were captured by the British police. Surya Sen and his colleagues sacrificed their lives for the cause of the nation. Kalpana Dutt, one of this particular group got a life sentence. Preeti Lata Wadedar escaped the police but sacrificed her own life later on. Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, the two school-going girls, shot Charles Buckland, the British magistrate, and they were caught and sentenced to imprisonment for life. Beena Das, a member of Indian National Congress, attempted to kill Stanley Jackson, the governor of Bengal, by shooting at him during the convocation ceremony of University of Calcutta, now known as Kolkata. She was caught and sentenced to 9 years of rigorous imprisonment also. The revolutionaries have contributed significantly to the independence movement in India. There were courage and determination personified. Their loyalty to nation and readiness to sacrifice their lives are unmatched. Their sacrifice has been a source of inspiration to all.